Hello and welcome to OneCoolTip.com. Cool tech tips for a cooler life. I'm Roger Mansfield. Today's cool tip is all about Microsoft Excel's geography data type. That's right, geography in Excel. So let's learn more about it. Have you ever wondered how to make your Excel spreadsheets more dynamic and informative? Well, you can use Microsoft Excel's geography data type feature. Now, this feature is a powerful tool that allows you to access and integrate rich geographical data into your spreadsheets. But how does it work and what can you do with it? So let's take a look at how to do it. First, you want to enter in your geographical data. And in this case, I've gone ahead and put a number of countries into my first column. And you'll select them. So I'm going to go ahead and select from Canada to the United States. And then you want to navigate up to the data tab on the top row and come over here to the data type fields and go ahead and click on geography. And you'll see that a number of icons are now appear to the left of every country name. So that tells me that the data has been converted to the geography data type. The other thing, now that I have them all highlighted, you can see there is an insert data icon button up here. So once you've converted them, go ahead and click on insert data, and there will be a number of fields that you can now add to your spreadsheet. Now, I already labeled my next column as the capital, so I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click again and select population, which should be down here a little ways. And I'll make the column just a little bit bigger to get that information in. And so now I have inserted the capital for each of the countries and the population. If I needed to update the data, I can do a refresh all, or I can actually right mouse click and refresh from the tab here. And I think maybe just one, there is a refresh field. It's under data type and there's a refresh. So you can have updated information. Now, the population and the capital certainly aren't going to change on a day-to-day basis, but much of the other information that's available to insert into your spreadsheet might be updated on a more frequent basis. So you can refresh that information. So this tip is very useful. It's incredibly useful for a variety of applications, from creating informative tables to performing data analysis. And since it is linked to a data source, it means you can refresh it to get the current data. Like I showed you, go ahead and do that data type and refresh it, and that will refresh it. And you can ensure that your data is all up to date with the latest information from the online data source. Now, Excel also has a stock and currency data types, which we'll cover in a future cool tip. So that's it. Enjoy. And if you like this cool tip, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And visit www.onecooltip.com for more cool tips. If you enjoy onecooltip.com, be sure to like this video and subscribe to One Cool Tip channel on YouTube.